In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping and tax on Wix. So the first thing that you want to do is, of course, head over to your Wix Studio or Wix website. So from here in your dashboard, you want to select your site where you want to add shipping. So we can go right here and select the site that you want to add your shipping. Now from here, you'll see a bunch of different options, settings right here, such as the setup, home, getting paid, sales, apps. We have also the site mobile app, inbox, customer and leads, marketing, AI marketing agent, analytics and automations. But what we want to do is go to our settings. So from here in our settings, we can see the finance and payments section, the site domain and SEO section, the general section, communications and notifications. So if you won't see the shipping section here, you might have to upgrade your account or continue setting your website. So let's just use another one. So this is already set up. So when we go to our settings, as you can see, we already have the business solutions section. So from here, we will see the shipping, delivery, and fulfillment setting. So simply select that setting. And as you can see right here, we have this shipping regions. So I have the my own country or the international region. So to set up your shipping, of course, you'll just need to add a new region or edit the current ones. So let's say we want to add a new region. So we can add the destination right here. So just simply select a country. So let's just say United States. And as you can see, we can click now on shipping. So we can apply our shipping rates to this region. So you can either select how the shipping is calculated. So we can select free shipping. So when it's free shipping, we can always add a shipping option name. We can select the estimated delivery time. And of course, there is no rate because we are going to have free shipping. So we can also add local delivery. So it offers hand delivery to areas within this region. Or we can also add a pickup. So if you want to add a delivery, you can always select enter the area name, the delivery name. We can also select if you want to offer free delivery when a customer buys over a certain amount. You can set the area by radius, by zip codes, or drawing on the map, or simply enter the address. You can also set the delivery time right here or set it manually. Next, we can add the pickup. So we can just simply enter the store name or name at checkout, the pickup address, when will the order be ready for pickup, and pickup instructions. So that is how we do it for free shipping. We also have this flat rate. So as you can see, we can add the shipping option name, the estimated delivery time, and now we can add the rates. So of course, we can always check this option, free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount. And of course, we can add a handling fee to every order. And again, we can add a local delivery or add pickup. Next, we have the rate by weight. So as you can see right here, you can now add the defined weight ranges of entire orders. So we can add rates per weight. And again, we can also add another shipping option. So basically right here, so if you're a seller, you always know how to rate your weight range. The next thing is the rate by price. So again, we can add shipping option name, estimated delivery time, the price range, and the rate. So we can add new ranges right here. Let's say 100, 100, and up. Now we can add the rates, for example, let's say like that. And again, you can offer free shipping, again, local delivery and pickup. So you can always choose that options. And next we have the rate by product. So now you can create product groups. So when we create groups right here, let's say test, or let's just say clothes. Next, and as you can see right here, you can add a new product group. So you can add shipping rates in the next screen. So let's say all of this is for the clothes. Let's just say right here, those are the clothes. Click on done. So basically those product groups, so you can set the rate for all of those product in that product group. Now we have the advanced setting right here. We can choose how shipping is rated. So you can apply group rate to each product, apply group rate once for all products, and apply the highest group rate once to the entire order. And again, we can also do this options right here, such as add a handling fee to every order, local delivery, and pickup. So basically, these is how you can add shipping to your Wix. So basically, if you're done setting this up, let's just say free shipping. Let's click on save. And as you can see, we have now a new shipping region right here. So if you just want to use the default shipping regions, of course, you can always simply edit this. Let's say I want to edit this. And of course, it is for the rest of the world. So of course, you can always change how the shipping is calculated. And when you're done, you can always click on save and you're good to go. So that's basically it. So if you want to add new regions, you want to add or change how your shipping will be on other regions, you can always create a new one or edit the current ones. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.